Y'all, the horn is hard. It's hard. Hard. I tell all my beginners, it's the hardest instrument. Let you hear one of the conversations that I had with one of my adult beginners just last week.
We were at Zoom church, and I said someday I want to play the French horn with the choir, but I was like, I'm not anywhere near ready because those notes are all close together, and any fingering can hit any note. And I was like, wait a minute, that makes it very hard. You have to hear what you're playing, and if it's, you got to listen, does it sound like the right note? Otherwise, you can use the fingering for open for F, first for F. Like, I swear, you could probably hit F on any of those fingerings, right? You can just tell me now, the spoiler, can you hit F on any fingering?
Spoiler alert, yes. You can hit F on any fingering if you really, really want to. Last week, I was also talking to a friend of mine about this time when we were in Seattle and we went to a pawn shop and there were a bunch of instruments there. My friend knew that I played the horn, but didn't know that I played a bunch of other instruments. So I played the flute and then I played a trumpet, and they were sitting there like, whoa, how did you do that? And I was like, man, the trumpet is easy.
Huh? What?
Oh, my bad, Dr. Edwards. I'm sorry. What I mean is the trumpet is easier in the range that I was playing in because I played the horn and the horn is so hard. The trumpet is a little easier for what I did in the little bit at the pawn shop. That's what I mean. Okay?
Oh, now that I can deal with.
So then, why is the horn so hard? What makes it hard? It has to do with a little something called the overtone series. Let's check out the overtone series for the trumpet for comparison. The overtone series is the series of notes that can be played on any given fingering. Here, I show the overtone series for open on the trumpet. The interval between the C and the G is a fifth, which means it's 5 steps away, and the interval between the G and the next C is a fourth, which means it's 4 steps away. Now, let's take a look at the overtone series for the horn. As you can see, on the horn, there are a lot more notes that you can play with the open fingering. So let's take a look at the same area on the horn that we did with the trumpet. As you can see, there are now 5 notes that you can hit on open instead of just 3 like with the trumpet. C to E is a major third, that's 3 steps away. E to G is a minor third. G to B flat is a minor third, and then B flat to C is a second, making accuracy a little harder on the horn than with the trumpet. So that's what makes the horn so hard to play, especially when you're first starting. So how do you combat that? How do you make it a little bit easier to learn? Use a tuner app. There are a few that I use. There's Bandmates, which is free, and there is TE Tuner, and both of them will show you what note you're playing, so that way you will know, are you playing the right note? Did you hit the note that you were trying to get? So the difference is Bandmates will just show you. TE Tuner will also play it for you, which is very helpful to hear the note so that you can play back exactly what you hear. Now, when I was coming up, what did I use? A piano. I sat next to my piano and banged out all the notes that I needed to play, but that meant I had to be able to transpose it too. So I had to transpose and then hit the note. You don't have to do that. Use the tuner apps because they help. I would never practice without a tuner app. The best way to get better quicker is to use a tuner app so you can focus your ears early so that the French horn isn't as hard as it can be. And if you're new to horn or you're a beginner and need somewhere to start, you can use my practice with me videos where you'll hear me play a note and then you match that same note. That's a really good way to get started. I hope I was able to explain one of the reasons why the horn can be hard to play. I always make sure to just don't, you picked a hard instrument. Just know, you're gonna have to practice. You're gonna have to practice. That's all there is to it. You gotta practice, you gotta focus and keep your ears on, and you can do it. And use a tuner app, and you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys got me up to 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for watching as always. Now, oh yeah. Oh wait. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at j2horn. And now it's time for you to go and practice.